We are now talking about a significant game changer in the field of assembling linear guides. When using linear guides, I generally require high precision and/or a high load capacity. Here we have a parallel application, and during assembly, to achieve the necessary precision, I always have to mount the first rail very precisely against a reference edge, as the first rail determines the accuracy. The challenge during assembly is then to align the second rail precisely with the first rail. And this is exactly where we have an excellent solution for you: tolerance compensation bearings that you can simply mount in the carriage adapter plate. Norelem provides you with the connection bore dimensions. What you receive from Norelem are these tolerance compensation bearings. We ensure that you can mount the guide very easily. You can allow yourself greater tolerances during assembly. Ultimately, we achieve a guiding system with low sliding resistance, an extended service life, and a significantly simplified assembly process. Everything you need for this can be found in our catalog. We also provide you with the dimensions for how the bores are to be designed. The implementation of these tolerance compensation bearings will be your game changer when assembling guides. Not only do they extend the service life, but they also significantly simplify the installation of replacement rails, making maintenance much more efficient.